Hello my dear students and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel Educator Prerna. That's me, or as you popularly know me as English Funny Ma'am. So आज हमारी ये जो T20 सीरीज़ है इसमें जो हम पोएम पढ़ रहे थे द बॉल पोएम उसका थर्ड सेशन है और आज के सेशन में हमने क्या करना है वी आर गोइंग टू बी सॉल्विंग दी क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम आवर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड इसी के साथ मैम इज गोइंग टू गिव यू सम एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस दैट आर लाइकली टू बी आस्क्ड इन द एग्जाम एंड इनसे रिलेटेड मोर और लेस इन्हीं टॉपिक से रिलेटेड क्या क्वेश्चंस आपको आ सकते हैं इन योर एग्जाम. So let us start. Alright, so we are on page number 47 and let us start solving the question. So the first question is, why does the poet say, I would not intrude on him? Why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? तो पहला क्वेश्चन है कि पोएट जो है वो इंट्रूड क्यों नहीं करना चाहता in the sadness that the boy is going through, and second वो जो पोएट है वो उस बच्चे को उस लड़के को पैसे क्यों नहीं दे रहा कि जाके तुम नई बॉल जो है उसको बाय कर लो. So the answer to the first question that the poet does not want to intrude onto him is because the poet wants the boy to learn the epistemology of loss. He wants the boy to understand the nature of loss, that the world is like that or the life is like that, that you have to lose something or the other. Okay, in life it's not like कि आप सब कुछ gain ही करोगे. You have to sometimes lose many things which are very dear to you. Second question is, why doesn't he offer him money to buy another ball? Because he feels that जो emotional attachment the boy has with the ball that he has lost, money cannot replace, or a new ball which is brought by the money, it cannot replace those sentiments. Okay. Second question, staring down all his young days into the harbor where his ball went. Do you think the boy has had the ball for a long time? Yes, the ball was a childhood memory that the boy was holding. Is it linked to the memories of days when he played with it? Yes. Alright. What does in the world of possession means? It's talking about the material world. And यहाँ पर possession का मतलब क्या है? In a world of possessions, you know that we feel that we possess, you know, we say that, oh, this is mine. So in a world of possessions where everything, where land, where let's say the furniture at your home, let's say the electronic items at your home, we say that we possess all of this. Alright, so that is a world of possession. You know, ये चीज़ मेरी है, like that. Do you think the boy has lost anything earlier? Pick out the words that suggest the answer. Definitely not. How do we know? Because जो boy है, you know, if you look at the words in the poem, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sixth line, ultimate grief, ultimate shaking grief fixes the boy. जब हमने इस पोएम की एक्सप्लेनेशन पढ़ी थी तो मैम ने आपको क्या बताया था? The boy is motionless, he is speechless, he is standing still. वो इतना शॉक में है कि उसकी बॉडी भी रिएक्ट नहीं कर पा रही है. So the boy is standing fixed and he is standing rigid, trembling, staring down the harbor where the ball has gone. तो अगर पहले उसने कोई चीज़ खोई होती तो वो शायद इतना शॉक्ड नहीं होता, but because he has lost something for the first time in his life, that is the reason that he is so shocked, he is so grief stricken. Then why does the poet say the boys, sorry, what does the poet say the boy is learning from the loss of the ball? Try to explain it in your own words. So from the loss of ball, the boy is understanding the epistemology of loss, the knowledge about loss. He is experiencing that, and the boy is also learning how to cope up with a loss. You can be shocked for some time, but that doesn't mean that you remain in a state of dismay, in sadness forever. You have to learn to cope up with the loss that has happened. Then have you ever lost something? So this is something that it's again a real life experience based question that you can answer on your own. Okay, अब आते हैं what are some extra questions that you are most likely to get from this particular poem. Okay, so the first question here is, how does the boy feel on losing the ball? Describe his reaction. So the boy, of course, is in a state of dismay, and the boy is grief stricken, and his reaction, he is standing still, he is trembling with fear, and he is standing rigid. देखो ये जो words हैं ये मैम poem से ही pick कर रही है. Second question, why does the poet not sympathize with the boy who has lost the ball? Obviously because he wants the boy to experience a loss and understand how to cope up with it. You know, in a way he wants the boy to become self-reliant when it comes to managing emotions. Third, how is the boy learning the epistemology of loss from the loss of his ball? What is it he has to learn? So from the after losing a ball, he understands that in a world of possessions we are likely to lose many things, and what he has to learn is to have control over emotions and to cope up with the loss and to move ahead in life. अब आते हैं लॉन्ग आंसर टाइप क्वेश्चन टॉपिक्स पे. फर्स्ट ऑफ कोर्स रियल लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में भी दिया हुआ है. देन लॉस एंड गेन, पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ. ये जब हमने पोएम को समझा था तब आपको अच्छे से मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया था इसके बारे में. एंड ऑफ कोर्स चैप्टर कनेक्ट, फायर एंड आइस एंड वर्ल्ड ऑफ पोजेशन. सो आपका जो एग्जाम है आपको 2 चैप्टर्स को मिला के भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. सो आपको 2 पोएम्स को मिला के भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. अब फायर एंड आइस में क्या बात हुई थी कि हाउ समटाइम्स वी आर सो ग्रीडी अबाउट थिंग्स कि मुझे ही सब कुछ मिल जाए. सो व्हाट हैपन्स एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, दैट्स लाइक द फायर विच इज़ विद इन अस, that can also bring the world to an end. So this is a world of possessions है, how is it related to fire and how it can lead to destruction. तो आपको ये अच्छे से पहले तो आपको world of possessions का मतलब एक्सप्लेन करना होगा. फायर एंड आइस में फायर जो रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट कहना चाहते हैं उससे क्या मतलब है, एंड देन यू हैव टू कंबाइन दीज टू टू एक्सप्लेन हाउ इट कैन बी हार्मफुल और हाउ इट इज़ रादर हार्मफुल फॉर द ह्यूमन रेस. ओके, सो ये बात ध्यान रखना, आपको 2 चैप्टर्स को मिला के 2 पोएम्स को मिला के भी क्वेश्चन पूछा जा सकता है. अगर मैं एग्जामिनर हूँ तो मैं तो आपकी सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर और मेन रीडर को भी मिला के क्वेश्चन पूछ सकती हूँ. Okay, so I hope now you have understood this poem in depth. I will see you next time. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to Educator Prerna. Thank you so much.